YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. We've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's AquaNaut 400 suction side pool cleaner. We are going to tear this thing apart from the outside in. Stay tuned. All right, guys, and we're back. So again, today we've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's AquaNaut 400. This is their 4-wheel suction side pool cleaner. As you guys can tell from the intro to now, I've stripped it down. Make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We've got a full playlist that'll show you guys step by step on how to get where I'm at right now. For today's video, I want to show you guys how to remove the shroud on the cleaner. In order to remove this shroud, you will need to know how to remove the actual blue handle. So if you guys don't know how to do that, make sure you guys check out our other video. That'll be available in the links in the description for you guys. But once you guys have actually taken that handle off, remove those other 2 shroud screws, all you're going to be looking for is located right here towards the front of the swivel where the hose. There's one more Phillips head screw. So again, I got my handy dandy ratchet screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, and I'm going to go ahead and remove that one screw. It's going to be the same length as those other 2 that were used to remove the handle. So it is a longer screw. So when you guys are putting stuff back together, remember that the shroud screws are going to be your 3 longest screws on this cleaner. So then that way you guys don't end up with an extra bolt at the end. So definitely make sure that you guys take this thing over to a flat surface. Try to make sure that you guys are away from the pool so you don't have to dive in and fish any of that stuff out. But once you guys have removed that one Phillips head screw, once the handle is also removed, you're just going to go ahead and gently lift up. So here's the actual top shroud. Again, this is a swivel piece is attached already pre-assembled to the shroud. So if this part snaps off, you do need to purchase a whole new shroud. There's not a way for you guys to be able to purchase this piece as separate just because it actually fully is attached here. It's got a swivel bearing in there that makes sure that it can swivel as this cleaner operates. So again, if you lose the hose attachment, you do need to purchase this new top shroud. So again, everything we sell is OEM. Everything comes direct from Hayward. So again, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We'll have all of these available for you guys. But pretty straightforward. Once you guys have learned how to remove the handle and remove that final 3rd shroud screw, then you guys can go ahead and pull that out. That gives you full access in here now to a lot of the gear assembly. But again, make sure you guys subscribe, stay tuned. We're going to show you guys how to start tearing apart the gear assembly on the inside. So until then, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply, and I really appreciate you guys watching.